I think apart from automation, the ongoing theme was challenge your IT. Um, and being on the end of that challenge is we can be defensive, but I think some of the examples and some of the chat over the past couple of days, it shows that we don't necessarily need to be. Everybody's facing the same challenges. And I suppose I would say, please be kind to your IT and you might get more honest answers. Um, Cyber can be really complex, but you've broken down to make some of those problems and the solutions really clear, Amar. And it, yeah, really boils it down to quite simple positions of where you can at least make a start in this. And as a tutor, with all the tutors in courses who do nothing but train, your real world experience and knowledge and examples really come through and are really useful and really engaging. So thanks for that.